From thriving businesses to cozy homes, your comfort is our top priority.
Welcome to Hilux Reno Inc, your trusted partner for professional renovation and specialized services, including HVAC solutions for homes and businesses, where comfort and efficiency meet.
HVAC Service Department
Specializes in professional installation, maintenance, and repair services, ensuring year-round comfort.
Preventive Maintenance
Ensures your system runs efficiently, saving money and preventing costly breakdowns. Looking for an upgrade? Our energy-efficient solutions improve air quality, enhance performance, and save you money. From tailored installations to reliable maintenance, our team ensures your comfort is our priority. Call us now at 416-222-3568 for professional HVAC services you can trust.